All right, hey guys, so we are looking at homework 11-12. Make sure you put your name at the top, very important. I'd also like you to put your class period because I have a lot of repeated names, and that way I make sure if you accidentally put it in the wrong box, I can return it to the correct one. So, Mrs. Lund surveyed a group of students to choose their favorite type of chicken sandwich from the options of Popeyes, Whataburger Honey Butter Chicken Biscuit, my personal favorite, Cane's, and Chick-fil-A. The results of the survey are shown in the graph. So, we have our favorite chicken sandwich, we got Popeyes, Honey Butter Chicken Biscuit, Cane's sandwich, and Chick-fil-A. Based on the survey, how many students would be expected to choose Popeyes or Chick-fil-A if there were 480 students in the class? So, we got our what-if situation, and we got what's actually happening. So, we have 4 for Popeyes, 12 for Honey Butter Chicken Biscuit, 2 for Cane's, and 6 for Chick-fil-A. We need to find the total overall who voted. So we got 12 plus 4 is 16, 17, 18. 18 plus 6 is 24. So in total, in our original ratio, which I'm writing as a fraction, we have 24. Now we're looking at those who chose Popeyes or Chick-fil-A. We had 4 choose Popeyes and 6 choose Chick-fil-A. So that's a total of 10. That's our current ratio. We need an equivalent ratio that is 480 students. It's out of 480 students. So if you've noticed, we have 2 equivalent ratios, but we're missing a piece, which makes this a proportion. So you may either scale our denominator if you can multiply this number by something in order to get this number, which then you'll do to the same to the top, or cross multiply and divide. You could technically set up a number line as well, but it would be a little bit more difficult with this, and I don't suggest it. All right, number 2. Amy and Elizabeth babysit on Saturday night for 2 different families. So I got Amy and I got Elizabeth. They're each going to get their own table. Amy worked for 6 hours and made $78. Elizabeth worked for 10 hours and made $112. Who makes more money per hour, and how much more money do they make? So we need their hours to be 1. So what do we divide 6 by to get to 1? Well, we divide it by 6. So if we divide by 6 here, we got to divide by 6 to get this unknown answer. How did we get from 10 to 1? We divided by 10. So, what do we do to get this unknown number? We divide by 10. Once you figure out your unknown, make sure that you figure out not only who makes more money, but also how much more do they make. So that's where you're going to use a sentence to say, blank makes the number more than blank. We're being very specific with our quantitative reasoning. All right, I think you guys are going to be amazing. You got this. You're setting up your tables. You're doing everything. Please, again, make sure your name is up there. And I love you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.